If you want true Texas living, then you can find it here in Keller, Texas, where I'm going to introduce you to 1108 Wickford Court in Danbury Parks. This incredible property sits on over a half-acre lot with an incredible outdoor oasis, and the interior is awesome. But you're just going to have to follow me through my automated gate to go check it out. I'll meet you inside.
I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. I gotta do it big. Gotta do it big. It's the only way to live. Come on. Yeah, come on.
This custom home sits on a quiet cul-de-sac lot, and its curb appeal alone is eye-catching. The home itself offers 5 bedrooms, 5 baths, a study, game room, media room, and is over 5,000 square feet of living space. Plus, there's a 4-car garage, and the pool and outdoor living is incredible. Welcome to 1108 Wickford Court. I'm so glad you're here. Check out this beautiful home with its modern updates in neutral colors. Just past this beautiful steel glass door to your right is the formal dining room. This space is defined by several floor-to-ceiling columns and an archway that provides a cozy feel without closing it off to the rest of the area. Just steps away is a formal sitting area with this gas fireplace and views of the outdoor living space and pool. Notice the beautiful custom detail of this floor-to-ceiling fireplace with the wood trim, and man, it is warm and cozy right here. Just off the entryway is the owner's retreat. You'll notice lots of natural light that floods the room from multiple large windows that give the perfect views of your outdoor living space. Plus, this room has a soft, neutral color and faux texture on the walls that give it such a luxury feel. The spacious bathroom features his and her vanities, a walk-in shower, spa tub, and his and her closets with lots of storage. Just off the entry with your formal dining and living space, you have the butler's pantry, which features a wine fridge, countertops, and lots of storage for your favorite beverage to offer your guests. The heart of this home and one of my favorite spaces is this kitchen family room, which includes breakfast nook, family living area, and this marvelous updated kitchen. The kitchen is gorgeous. It features updated lighting fixtures, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops. You have a double stainless steel oven, 6-burner gas cooktop, beautiful backsplash with a pot filler, lots of storage and counter space, and oh, check out the beautiful spice racks. And then call the kids down from the secondary staircase where they can belly up here to the breakfast bar, grab something to eat before they make their way to the family room. The family room features a beautiful tray ceiling with crown molding, plantation shutters to let in plenty of natural light, a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace with wooden mantel, and you have plenty of storage for all your family's items with the custom cabinetry and shelving. Now this is a living space that I know your family can get used to. Now let's go up to the second floor. But first, one of my favorite custom features of this home is the curved staircase, which features an iron wood hand railing. Come on. Make your way up the curved staircase through these French doors to the study. The study offers hardwood flooring and masculine warm colors featuring a wood beam ceiling and plantation shutters that open up for views of your front yard. Come on. Welcome to the second floor where you have this cool catwalk landing. I know my kids would love it, I bet yours would too. Plus you have 3 additional bedrooms and some of my favorite living spaces, the game room and the media room. The first bedroom off to the right of the landing has its own bathroom with tub, shower, a huge walk-in closet, and tons of storage space. Bedroom 2 and 3 share a Jack and Jill bathroom with tub and shower, as well as their own walk-in closets. Moving on from your bedrooms down the hallway through these double doors is the game room. Let's play. The beadboard walls give a luxury feel to this space, and the wet bar and kitchenette are perfect for entertaining guests or your family game nights. Yes! I win, but now you're about to win. Come on, join me in the media room. The movie's starting. Now this is a top-notch media room. Showtime. Well, if you've decided it's too pretty outside to be watching a movie, or you just want some fresh air, well, we've saved the best for last. There is a covered porch and outdoor kitchen that is complete with a built-in grill, cooler, warming drawer, and trash can, plus you got lots of storage for all your gear. It even has a sound system so you can bring your party to the next level with your favorite tunes. The pool and spa are a true outdoor oasis and a necessity during the hot summers here in Texas. Who wants to jump off the diving board? Cannonball! This oversized lot provides an enormous amount of green space in the backyard, even with all of these spectacular amenities. Check out the space behind the pool as well as on each side. You've got plenty of backyard for the kids to run around and play fetch with a dog or throw the football. This yard is big enough to put a sports court in and a trampoline if you wanted to. I want to thank you for joining me on this home tour today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did showing it to you. If you want more information on this property or any of my homes for sale, then check them all out at koberggroup.com. Please don't forget to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see all of these cool real estate videos. And don't forget to comment because I love to hear what you have to say. Come see this property before it's gone. And don't forget, #WillSellsIt. I'll see you on the next home tour.